Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with two essentials: a signed-in Gmail account and access to Google Contacts on a desktop. First, open Contacts. Google.com and select the group or all contacts you need. Next, click Export and choose the format that matches your phone: Google CSV for Android, vCard for iPhone. Do this now so the file downloads to your computer. Once done, locate the downloaded CSV or VCF in your Downloads folder. Make sure the file name is clear. Before moving, you'll now move that CSV or VCF to your phone. If using USB, connect the phone and copy the file into Downloads or a Contacts folder. For Android, note the exact path. Alternatively, upload to Google Drive or Dropbox and open the file from the phone. For iPhone, email the vCard to yourself or place it in iCloud Drive and open it from the Files app. Once the file is on the device, you're ready to import. Make sure the file is intact and not truncated. Finish by importing and verifying. On Android, open Contacts, go to Settings, choose Import and select the CSV or VCF location. Map fields if prompted and confirm. On iPhone, tap the VCF attachment and choose Add All Contacts or Import via Settings Contacts Accounts Import. Once imported, enable Contacts Sync for your chosen account so changes persist. If some entries look wrong, run a duplicates merge and re-import only corrected records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.